Here we are at Blankney level crossing in Lincolnshire with Delta Australia. There we go, now the time now is 10:52 on Sunday the 21st of November 2021, and this is for your slightly delayed 9 o'clock 10:46 1 Alpha 91 Hull train service from Hull to London King's Cross. Into Blankney. Oh, I hear a horn already. I've not been here for quite a while. And the barriers can't have come down that early. Also, looks like the bit on the outside there, 'cause you see that barrier's got one. There isn't one there. The bit on the end. American barriers installed 2014 when the crossing was upgraded from an MCG to an MCB-OD, as it is now. And I've come here today for the ECML diversions because it's a diversion weekend. (802-301) 802-301 to London King's Cross. Alright, now time's 11:12, and this is your, just bear with me, 9:40, 11:15, 1 Alpha 21, L&R service from Leeds to London King's Cross. The signal box up here, Blankney, has been disused since 2014 when the crossing's upgraded. But it's the only box that was left in situ because it's grade 2 listed apparently. And of course, obviously, this whole thing's had to be covered up because of how low it is. (800-106). 106 to London. Okay, the time now 12:08, and this will be the delayed 10:18, 11:40, 3:25 Juliet. Some probably Josh Brown cargo from on this service from Doncaster Robert RDS shed to Peterborough L.I.P. It's delayed by 31 minutes. There's someone up on there on the platform as well. Not entirely sure who it is though. There's a horn. There's a footpath crossing called Ox Pasture Lane that has whistle boards a bit further up the line. So on that side you usually hear the train before it gets here. I made that mistake with the Hull one earlier. I'm splitting the trains I get between ones on the platform and one at the level crossing. Already got quite a few cars on either side now. Here we go. '66 114. 66 206.